All right, so let's go back through elements. So you got shapes, graphics are more clip art based, but some are, video kind of as well. Photos I use a lot. So this is kind of like Pixabay is the other one I use. It's outside of Canva on searching for graphics or usable images because they're not graphics, they're photos that you can use in your flyers or booklets, catalogs that are people based or actual imagery, not clip arty. And you could take these and use them free of charge stuff. Because like if you go to Google and search it for an image, or you go like iStock photo, you have to pay for those photos. These are included with your Canva account, and you can use them however you'd like. And you can search whatever words here as well. And then down next is videos. I haven't used the videos as much because I haven't done a whole lot of video production on here, but these are just like background kinds of images, audio charts. If you're doing graphs and math stuff, polls and quizzes, I have not touched, but those are here. Tables, so you can put in your graphs and in your documents, your table and charts. One of my favorite pieces though is right here. These frames, grids, mock-ups. These make your picture fit the size you want. So like if you have, you're doing something like I do on my social media for sure, is do a picture and I want it in a circle. So you pick the circle, you go to your uploads, as we're going to talk about in a minute. You can upload files here, whatever images you already have. And then let's grab a picture. So which doesn't want to go. That's going to be helpful. Can you guys still hear me? I'm still connected to my internet.
Yeah, we're good.
It's just, I'm in an incognito window, so I don't have to log out of my Canva, but that's not going to work here. So evidently that's part of the issue. So we're going to go to share.
So ideally then if you would just like be able to like drag your picture over, then
It
you
would
could
fit
see
into that.
yourself in
Yeah.
that circle in that from
Yeah.
okay. I wondered how
Yeah.
to do
I'm going to
that.
show it on I'll show it on I'll open my pro account. We'll just work in there. I'm just going to share. Share.
So you're saying that there's stuff that there's quite a bit that you can do outside of a pro account.
Okay. We're going to create a new doc. Yeah, my thing is just not loading right now, and I don't know why. All right, can you see the untitled design that I got blank square up?
No,
It's not working for me. All right.
I see you.
I'm just gonna share my whole screen. There we go.
Oh, there it is.